Hey there, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare Interactive Brokers and QUESTRADE. The first thing I'm going to talk about are fees, then I will talk about the account opening, inactivity fee, which is huge on both of these platforms, markets and products, what they actually offer, how many products they offer, then design and securities, etc. So let's start. Fees. Interactive Brokers is completely dominating QUESTRADE. When I would show you the fees, for example, the fee of stock and ETF commission of $2,000 trade on Interactive Brokers is only $1, but QUESTRADE has a $5 stock and ETF commission. And that's huge. Also, the options are much cheaper on Interactive Brokers comparing to QUESTRADE. But let's talk another thing, and that's inactivity fee. Inactivity fee on QUESTRADE is much lower comparing to Interactive Brokers, and let me show you, I will explain how it works. On QUESTRADE, $25 per quarter if you have less than $5,000 Canadian dollars on your account and didn't trade in last quarter. So what does it mean? That, okay, you need to have at least 5,000 on QUESTRADE. But on Interactive Brokers, there is a $20 like inactivity fee if you have below $100,000 account. So what I would do is that if you're okay with the high fees on QUESTRADE, I would go with the QUESTRADE. And if you're from Canada, if you're not from Canada, I wouldn't recommend using QUESTRADE because the opening is like, it takes so much time and it's not easy. So I wouldn't choose QUESTRADE if I would be outside of Canada. If you're from the Canada, QUESTRADE is alright option. Interactive Brokers is alright too, but I recommend having more than $100,000 to charge Interactive Brokers with. So this is also, if you can use like the Giro, that's good choice, or Webull and others in Canada, that's better. Now, or the Giro, yeah. So this is an activity fee. Let's compare another thing, and that's markets and products. Of course, Interactive Brokers has much more to offer on markets and products department. They got the huge ETFs and stock possibilities that you can invest to. Even if you see like what ETFs you can invest to QUESTRADE and stock markets is 9 and 3,000, comparing to stock markets in Interactive Brokers is 78 and 13,000. Now, what you can do is this. Oh my god, this is what I wanted to tell you. Listen to this very carefully. Don't quit the video now. What you can try to do is to open TradeStation Global account. This is huge. So you don't open Interactive Brokers if you want to invest money and you want to get rid of the fee. You go to, look at this, you go to TradeStation Global Canada. Let's see if I can open it. Yeah, and I would actually open I would open here in I would try to open in TradeStation the account, comparing to Interactive Brokers if you're from Canada or any other country, if you're watching to QUESTRADE. Only because in TradeStation Global you don't have any fee. You know, you don't have any fee, any inactivity fee. So what I would do is that I would use TradeStation Global, which got similar, even lowest fees comparing to Interactive Brokers. Then at $100,000, I would just send money to Interactive Brokers from TradeStation Global, and this is a much better way. Now let's continue. Customer service. Both of these platforms have it similar. No 24/7 support, but both have live chat. Education is better. Interactive Brokers with demo account. QUESTRADE has it too, but Interactive Brokers better. And like both of these brokers are safe. But to summarize this, Interactive Brokers has lower fees, but high inactivity fee if you have below $100,000 account. Then QUESTRADE has also, I recommend using QUESTRADE from Canada, but also I would seek different options, not investing for QUESTRADE. Yes, they have like good options for trading platform, okay, but still, in my opinion, it's not a good choice. But that's just me. Like I would try to seek different. If you just write me in the comments and I will make a review. If you're thinking about different broker, write me down, I will make a review on it and I will look on it. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and goodbye.